In a significant move to strengthen the user data security, the Indian government has asked mobile phone manufacturers to share the source codes with the authorities. This initiative comes amid rising concerns over the online fraud and data breaches across the country. The IT and Electronics Ministry has begun consultations with companies to ensure safety standards on mobile phones and communication devices meet the telecom security requirements. This discussion follows the Indian Telecom Security Assurance requirements framed by the National Center for Communication Security under the Department of Telecommunication. Industry leaders from Apple, Vivo, MI, Dixon, and other companies are participating in this open, transparent consultation with no pressing concerns reported so far.